preparation is built into everything we do. It is our #1 goal. From the start, this program prepares students by focusing on the practical skills employers need. Students learn to manage healthcare data with SQL and Python, apply predictive and machine learning models, and build business intelligence insights that support better decision-making in hospitals, clinics, healthcare organizations, and more. Many current students express that they can learn something in class on Saturday and put it into work at their job on Monday. Students don't just learn the tools, the program is designed to equip students with the skills needed to tackle unique challenges and opportunities within the healthcare sector. Students also learn how to communicate, collaborate, and lead through data. Students graduate ready to take on roles that help the healthcare industry in key metric categories: finance, operations, patient experience, and healthcare quality. Students are ready to step into the roles where data drives better care.